Success is a choice you make, especially within OnPassive. Success or failure? It's always your choice. You alone have the responsibility to shape your life. Once you understand this, nothing and no one can deny you success. There's really no one to stop you but yourself. More powerful than all the success slogans ever written is the realization that everyone has but one boss. That boss is you. Your life will always be a large extent of what you make of it. No one can cheat you out of your ultimate success but you. If you want to be successful, you can be successful. Warmest regards, your fellow legacy leaver, Robert Tantullo. Please like, subscribe, and share these videos with the ones you love by clicking the like and subscribe buttons above. Thank you and have a blessed day.